So I'm going to fly the Air 3 and with this remote and my phone. So we're trying to get this setting, but very hazy today. It's all white. But what's interesting is trying to get hold of that tractor and the birds there. So we'll just do a quick fly, but not really going to do much today because the weather's not good. There it goes. Hi, Richard here. So this is the first flight for the DJI Air 3. So it's a bit windy and it's okay, he's trying to hold on to his, look at that, it's shaking like that. So let's hope this turns out great, and I'll make a first flight and see how it goes, and let's go forward. So this is against the wind. So we shall go near the tractor. Beautiful day. So the birds don't get spooked. Oh, they do get spooked. Look at that, they're flying off. So let's bring it up before they crash into the drone. Such as vehicles, it can't detect a tractor. Okay, that's a good one. So it can't detect a tractor. It don't know what is a tractor. So it can't detect the tractor. Active tracks such as people and vehicles. Okay, can't be helped. So that's the thing. Let's go and go. So let's do it faster because it seems to be running out. Oh, it doesn't do that. Well, not perfect, still doing. So I've launched it again. We're going to change it to 1000 max height and then try to go up to 1000 meters. Let's try to see how it goes. Let's change it to sports mode. So obstacle avoidance will be turned off. Let's just go straight up. There it goes. That's how fast it's going. Very clear land here, so 1000 meters. So violation message comes out, can't be helped. Let's go up there. How high are we now? 280, 290. Let's bring the camera camera down. 400. I have no idea what's up there, so 500. It's really, really high. Hopefully it can withstand the wind. And 600. Such a beautiful day. 700. Wow, this guy is really fast. It's all the way up there. This guy hitting 1000 soon. So I'm not sure I'm going to bang into anything, but there's no planes here, so it's fine. So hitting 1000 soon. Very fast. This guy is crazy fast. Where in the world is it now? I can't see it. So we hit 1000. Okay, let's turn around and see what we can see up there. 1000. Bring out the camera. That's 1000. Look at that. Beautiful, but very hazy. It's such a waste of I better turn it back to normal mode. Why is there something on that? So very hazy, bad for photography. Not going to take anything here. Look at the sky. It's all white. So anyway, let's do one nice shot in photos, and we shall change it to photo. And let's do a shot of this. Let's do a photo of this. Right, so let's do one shot of here. That looks nice. Okay, maybe let's do a no, let's not do a hyperlapse. Let's do a panorama. That would be nice. Let's do a sphere, right? That would be great. Let's measure this place. 360 degrees sphere. So I'll put this up in Google Maps. At 1000 meters, 999 meters. I really respect DJI's drone. It's like, it's really, really up there. And that's the sun. Yeah. So I'm not sure how strong is the wind up there. It looks pretty stable. It's more windy down here. There seems to be some obstacle up there. I'm not sure what obstacle it is. And pretty sure it's crazy to be able to do that. And it's doing the processing. 6971. Battery is down to 45%. I bring it down. I'll bring it down and then do it the sunset, and then we'll do a sunset. So let's bring it down. Let's do a normal panel. Just a wide angle panel should be fine. So let's do one. Yeah, 43%. I want to save the battery for sunset. Okay, while I'm waiting for the sunset, I'm going to try this. This is a 65 watt power bank. I did charge my Mavic with this before, but it took very long to charge. But anyway, it's already 2 bars, 1.5 bars I think. So let's see what magic we can do with this. Are we able to charge it up? Whoa, I just missed one. Okay, this beautiful shot, I'm going to get a sunset shot of this. Let's stop it. And get out, change it to photo. And let's get a single shot out of this first. Oh, the bird just flew past. That's what the 3x is for, man. Let's feed it in. The sun is in. Let's pull it back even more for water. What a beautiful shot, look at that. Pull it back even a bit more. 3x. That is a beautiful shot. Okay, maybe we need to do a panel out of this. I don't know where in the world is my 48 megapixel shots, right? Anyway, so we'll do a wide angle first. And now the birds are flying past. It's not good. I'm doing wide angle, I don't want birds flying past. So that's it. So beautiful sunset here. So I hope you like the pictures and the videos from this Air tree. And I'm loving this little guy. The size is great, can go in my bag easily. And it's very easy to fly. It's so much nicer to fly. So that's it. We're seeing the sunset. That's the last of it. I'm going up and I'm going to return to home soon. So that's it. Okay, have a nice day. See you. Bye. Do subscribe and like if you like the video. Bye.